Hello. I'm excited to have you here as we're going to decorate our little mini Mother's Day cake. Okay, lots of pink and gold today. So before we get started, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you very much for being here. So to pipe this beautiful cake here, we're going to need 3 different piping bags. Okay, so we'll start with our first one, our white one, which has a 1M tip on end there. Some light pink buttercream with a 2D tip, and then we have just some medium coloured buttercream, nice pink here, a 21 tip we've got on there. Okay, so the colour we're using today is Colour Mill Raspberry, definitely one of my favourite pinks. All right, and then we're also using some gorgeous little bling from over the top. Now you can get all your piping tips, your piping bags, colours and bling all online from Caker's Warehouse if you like. So feel free to use our discount code, it's Enchanted10, and you will save 10% off all your online orders. Okay, so to start this, we'll start piping at the bottom, work our way onto the top and finish off with our beautiful little pearls. All right, so if you do need a buttercream that's good for piping and good for covering our cake, which is what we've used it for as well, we'll make sure we pop the link to our signature buttercream course that we have, and we'll pop that below. All right, I'll see you in a moment and we'll start decorating. Welcome back. Today we are going to decorate our little mini cake in inspiration for Mother's Day. Okay, so we're going to start with our Happy Mother's Day little plaque on here. So I'm just going to pop that roughly in the center there. Okay, and I have my bag filled with my white buttercream. Okay, this is our signature white buttercream. We'll make sure we do pop the link below for you if you want to go check that out. And we've just got a piping bag with tip 1M on the end there. We're going to start by piping a nice row, a border on the bottom here. Okay, so let's just squeeze up and back, up and over. Okay, just try and keep nice even pressure. And as you do squeeze down the buttercream, make sure you readjust it there. Okay, just slowly turning the turntable. Keep going all the way around. Beautiful, that's our base done. Now we do have some pretty pale pink buttercream as well. Okay, we've just used raspberry from Colour Mill for this one, and we have a 2D tip in here. And we're just going to start by doing a few little rosette swirls on here. Okay, we'll just go around different directions, not exactly even at all. Some closer to the plaque, some further away on the edge. Okay, and we'll also just add in some little stars. Pop them around, and we also have a slightly darker pink buttercream here. And again, we'll just start to do the same, so just some little rosettes there. Okay, and they can be, as big or as little as you want. Again, with some stars. Just filling in all those gaps as you go around. And then we'll get some nice little gold pearls and pop that on as well. These are some edible bling from over the top. Okay, I do love this range of gold pearls. As you can see, there's a variety of sizes in there. Okay, and they look beautiful, the variety. And as always, I'm using my little gold spoon with the letter Y on there. It's so hard to get my initial in anything. Okay, being Yvette starts with a Y, not too easy to find. Okay, I did get this from Frank's though, so shout out to them. Now we're just going to scatter them on, dropping them in just in little clusters, okay? I don't want them everywhere on the cake. Just work your way around. Oop, and if they do slide off, they're gone. Okay, have a look, just step back, see whether or not you think that's balanced or not. If you need a couple more somewhere, just there. Okay, get rid of him. And there you have it, a cute little Mother's Day cake. Perfect for any celebration. Actually, you know what? I'm looking at it now from the back. So once I've turned it around, and I think I can probably do a couple more little stars here just to balance it out a bit better. Yeah, I think I like that. Just a couple more. There we go. Enjoy. I hope Mum enjoys it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I do hope you've enjoyed watching us decorate our mini Mother's Day cake. I can't wait to see what you're going to do. Make sure you do leave us a picture, tag us in the comments below. Come find me over on Instagram if you like at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Tag me over there with your creations. Thank you so much for being here today. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.